Got some St. Louis arch action right there. Yes, sir. Gotta make sure we get that arch whenever we slide by. I done got my gas. Time to head on back across that water.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And they was taking way too long to bring that thing out. So I just popped on Doordash. It let me on. I just got my first order, $6.75 for 3 miles. Diamond order right over here at Hardee's. And I love this order because it's a drive-thru, so I ain't even got to get out the car, turn it off or nothing. All right, guys, so we just pulled up the Hardee's, and the man at this drive-thru window, he sounded like Hardee's just sucked all the life out of his soul working here all these years. I feel sorry for him. But he said it's ready though, so we finna pull up and grab this. Alrighty, welcome back to the channel. I'm your boy, the DashingTrader. Today we gonna do some multi-apping. I need to fill my gas tank up, but guess what? I ain't about to do it here. Gas is like 50 cents cheaper on the other side of the water in St. Louis, so we about to head over there. But I will go in here and grab me something to drink real quick. We will do that. Thanks for being here on this channel. We help you maximize using gig apps like Doordash, Uber Eats, Walmart Spark, some Instacart, you know, but lately we've been doing some Walmart Spark and Uber Eats and sprinkling in Doordash. Let's see if I can make 50 bucks, fill my tank up, and then come back out for the evening shift and maybe make another $100. That's how I like to do it. I multi-app. This watch from Invicta, but it don't fit. I gotta get some links removed. Check it out. I'm gonna show you what it looks like once we step up in Walmart. Well, couldn't get my links removed at Walmart because they don't got the tool, but they told me I can go right across the street here to this little watch shop over here, so I'm gonna do that. But before I do that, I just got a batch on Walmart Spark. Got $21.50 or 55 cents for 5 miles. So hey, this Walmart trip wasn't for nothing now. So I'm gonna pull over here to this pickup spot over here on the other side of that construction, and I'm gonna pick up this batch. And actually, this one is gonna take me in the direction I need to go, so I can head to St. Louis and fill up my tank. I did a $6.75, and now this $21 order will put me at 27 bucks. See if we can make it to 40 or 50 bucks, and I can get this gas. Yes, sir. How much is gas in your market? We got $3.39 for regular. Ultimate is $4. I'm about to grab me some of that $3.39 gas right there. $3.39 for gas. So I thought that it was a 40-cent difference. It's actually a 50-cent difference. Gas is $3.89 in Glen Carbon, Illinois. So if nothing else, I had to make sure I come over here, fill the gas tank up, and now we're gonna see if we can make this 30 bucks back over here in the Webster Groves area. So I just filled up. Hopefully it take the full 30. I did do a Walmart Spark over in Glen Carbon, and I did one DoorDash order. And totaling those together, it's gonna be like 27, almost 28. Took that 27, 28, added 3 bucks to it, filling up the gas tank. Let's see if we can make this 30 bucks back and how long it take us to do it. Alrighty guys, looks like we on the map already. Just got my first order. Chick-fil-A comes 25 for 4.2 miles. Not a diamond order, but that's okay, because look, this order is getting right into that 30 bucks I just put in the tank. So I was like, you know what? It's leaving me within the zone because I'm like a mile and a half away from Chick-fil-A. So the order is total 4 miles, and it's actually leaving me within my zone. Because a lot of times when I come over here, a 4-mile trip takes me out of let me stop that. A lot of times when I come over here, a 4-mile trip takes me outside of the zone. So this is actually good. Chick-fil-A, I know they're gonna have it ready because they always have them ready. It's top of the morning. Let's head on over. Well, I hope this might be an indicator of how the day finna be. They is fucking bagged up in there. Been in there waiting for like 8 minutes already. The order's supposed to have been done. Man, this Chick-fil-A usually good, man. They fucking up today. And it's Friday. Look at this shit. Watch it probably be ready now. What? Man, that Chick-fil-A order was a headache. Not only did I have to wait hellas for it, you know, I want to make sure when I unassign it's worth a good cause. That was a $2 tip coming from the Archbishop freaking church ground over here. Like, man, come on, how you gonna be a man of the Lord and not tip good? Come on now, but look, it's all good. We heading to Smoking Burls next. I accepted a stack on Uber. Well, it was actually a single order. It said like 8 bucks for 3 miles, but then they stacked it and gave me a $9 add-on at like Sister Soul or something like that. So we finna head on over to Smoking Burls, and with these 2 Uber Eats orders, that's gonna be another $17 added to the tally. So let's head on over and get it. We're getting closer to that $30, and you know what? I like it because I get to keep the wheels rolling, which is the main thing. Sister's Sandwich Shop. Never been here before. Thank you, sir. Yep. Have a great day. You too. Thank you, sir. You're welcome. Gonna be picking up from Sister Sandwich Shop more often because they got them orders ready. Next stop, we at Smoking Burls. Follow our smoke. I've been here like once or twice before. This is a cool little spot, good orders. Last time their tablet wasn't working. Hopefully they got it together this time. See what's going on. Alright guys, so the time is now 12:25. I just got both of those Uber Eats orders dropped off. And look, this just came through. $14.76 for 4.6 miles. They say it's gonna be an hour and 2 minutes. It's at Target. It's 20 items shopping pay. I'm good on that. That's on Uber. But what I will do is I'll check in and I will resume my dash on Doordash. I just need $7 more to get that $30 that I spent to fill up this gas tank, and then we be in good shape. I can head on back to Glen Carbon. So first order they sent me, this one was a diamond order, $9.75 for 5 or 6 miles. But here's the thing though, they snuck in $1 peak pay. So I was like, you know what, that's really an $8 order going 6 miles. I don't like the miles to money. I'm gonna leave it alone. I got another one coming in right now. Let's see what that is. Yep, and that one wasn't any better. $4.25 for 3 miles at Panda Express. And a lot of times they be bagged up over there, so I had to leave that one alone too. We gonna sit right here for a little second. I'm in the middle of a nice little red zone. What's this, $11 for 10 miles on Uber? No thank you, I just let that time out. We gonna wait for something good on Doordash here, because I'm pretty sure it's a $7 order out there waiting for me that's going like a mile or two. That's usually what my average order is, but I just haven't been seeing that. But I'm gonna keep my fingers crossed now that I'm back to cherry picking. Maybe I can get that order. Go ahead, and that'll put me at a hour and 15 minutes if I can get that order done in the next 15-20 minutes, and then that'll be $30 right there. Hour and 10 minutes, multi-apping, not relying on Doordash, using multiple apps. Look at that, $3 for 5 miles at McDonald's. I'm good on that. I need $7. $7, maximum 3 miles, and I'll take it. Got another one coming in. This one is gonna be at Noodles and Company. Got my fingers crossed. I knew Noodles and Company was gonna come through. That was an acceptable order, even with the $1 peak pay. We got $6.55 for 2.8 miles. Now, if they didn't have that $1 peak pay going, that would have been $5.50 for 2 miles. And chances are, if I was close and I was, you know, sitting and waiting on the order, I still would have took it. So that $1 peak pay is extra, just extra on top of an order that I already would have considered acceptable. Head on over to Noodles. Let's head on over to Noodles and Co. and see what's going on. I was right down the street. This one right here got a great track record. I think I've been here about 5 times. They always have it ready. Boom. They always have the order ready to go here. They got 2 orders ready to go. They might as well send me an add-on. I got McKinsey. Thank you. Yeah. Cannot stress the importance of knowing the market that you're working in. I work in multiple markets at the moment. You know, I'm in Glen Carbon. I be over here in Webster, I be in Florissant, St. Charles, you know what I'm saying, Troy, Illinois, Edwardsville. Whatever market you working in, make sure you know it. I knew it was a 99.999% chance this Noodles and Company is gonna have that order ready to go. And guess what? It was ordering, look, it was the 6th time I've been there, and they had that thing ready. Stop playing with me. You gotta know what you gotta do to make it do what it do. You call a bad driver right there. Jesus Christ. I literally was just about to pass this place up. Uber Eats decided to send me an order. We at Bubba's Deli. I mean, I literally was about to pass it up. $6 for a couple miles. $6 for like 2 miles. And I was like, you know what? I'm already heading this way. Might as well. Is they even open? Yes. And my order right there, ready to go. You know, for Sarah. This for Sarah. About to pass this place up. This order was ready. The order was ready. Like, this is literally free money. I already was heading this direction, going back to where I know the good orders is at, and then I get this. So, woo-wee, that was a middle school drop-off, man. I do not like doing school drop-offs when the tip ain't good. That was a $6 order on Uber Eats, y'all. So it might have been like $1 or $2 on there, but we're not talking about a good tip. You know what I'm saying? So look, they gonna have to figure it out, because I'm not going up inside that middle school and finding you and you don't know how to tip your driver. Got me messed up. But look, Uber Eats coming through. I just got another one. $7 for 3 miles, and it's bringing me away from this school. So hell yeah, we about to head over to Pasta House right now. We made it to the Pasta House. That's where we're going right there. Curbside pickup, yes sir. Pasta House had the order ready to go. Boom, and the drop off was super close. Man, Uber Eats really stole the show today. That was the last order right there. I'm about to go ahead and see how much we did, because now we are almost at the 2-hour mark. And I think I got that first order like at 11:30. So we are at the 1 hour 45 minute mark. And I know I smashed out that goal. I made over 30 bucks, probably closer to 40. But let's go ahead and count it up and see exactly how we did. Not bad for an hour and 45 minutes. So on Doordash, this dash right here, we ended with $12.80. $6.75 on their first dash before I ended and switched zones. So not bad there. Then on Uber Eats, we got one for $8.09. Got a $9.50 add-on at Sister Sandwich Shop. And I like picking up there. They had the order ready to go. Right on the corner, nice parking availability. I like it. I will be picking up from there again. And then we also got a $6 Uber and this last Pasta House order that paid $7.06. Now, totaling everything up, we made $50.26 in an hour and 45 minutes total. Now, the actual time I was actually on the orders was probably less than that. We probably talking about an hour and 15 minutes, but total time, you know, we multi-apping, an hour and 45 to make 50 bucks. Let's go. That's how you do it right there. So that means I put 30 in the tank. I made that back and the extra 20. And the killer part is with Uber Eats, I know I'm finna have more tips rolling in because I always make more than what the order offers tell me. So if I'm at 50 now, I'm pretty sure it's gonna go up to like 60 or 65. You know what I'm saying? So that's good for, you know, basically 2 hours of work. Let's stand. But look, we finna go on ahead and check out. If you made it this far in the video, you the real MVP. And look, don't spend all your time giving all your energy to DoorDash. Try out some different apps. As you saw today, I use DoorDash still, but I'm not finna put all my eggs in a basket. I'm about the multi-app. I'm about to hit my goal my way. 50 bucks, that's halfway to my daily goal, and it's 1 o'clock. You think I ain't finna make 50 more bucks in the evening time? You damn right. And I'm finna go mix this video. There's gonna be another little piece of change. Stop playing with me. If you want help editing some videos, go ahead, hit me up, leave me a comment down below. Say, Trader, show me how to edit. And I got you. If you enjoying this video and you finding value, I need to hit that like button and the subscribe button. Cause guess what? I'm trying to be YouTube famous. You damn right. So go ahead, hook your boy up. I'm out.